So what does Majenta do in the water sector? I suppose that really depends on who we're talking to. So starting off with clients and water companies, we will help them establish their information management strategy, but also helping them to develop things like standard libraries. So if they have design in-house or if they're working with consultants and contractors, they can provide standard designs and configurations to help try and expedite that design process. Also to try and create standardisation and consistency in the information that's coming back into the organisation. Naturally, it'll increase speed and reduce cost as well. So that's a little bit around clients. In terms of contractors, many of the contractors we work with are from an information management perspective. As the sector matures and we try to define those information standards, the call for information management is slowly gathering momentum, but certainly isn't the norm. So our services to contractors is a lot more around scanning and modelling. And we are doing, I suppose, a lot around 3D visualisation and 4D planning. So 3D visualisation is where we're taking project information, whether that be 2D drawings, 3D models, and creating a visual of the project and how it's going to be presented. 4D planning is a little bit more around the actual project delivery side of things. So what that allows us to do is simulate the whole build sequence based upon the program and its detail, allowing us to test the methodology, test the program before we get to site. Now, there's a whole host of benefits there in terms of stakeholder engagement, but because that dynamic link exists, we can then carry that through from the pre-construction stage into delivery, and we can use that as a live on-site planning tool. Consultants we're finding, certainly the larger ones, that there is a real shortage, and this isn't unique to water, of Revit resource and good quality Revit modelling. As projects fluctuate, it's expensive to have people on the bench, so our Revit modelling services are becoming really, really popular there. And then finally, the manufacturers, last but not least. Again, creating standard configurations and models for their products so they can be easily specified into projects by consultants, contractors, designers. Outside of that as well, supporting tenders and bids. We do this as well for contractors and consultants. And so hopefully that gives you a little bit of a flavour of the end-to-end of what we're doing. So many of our customers and partners in the water space don't necessarily have those internal teams, or certainly have limited capacity when it comes to digital engineering and tools such as 3D visualization and 4D planning. What some of those customers choose to do is pass over those responsibilities and remove that headache around digital deliverables and pass it over to Majenta, allowing you and your teams to focus on what it is that you're good at and your specialisms. So if you have any concerns regarding resources, or you foresee that there may be challenges coming over the horizon as AMP8 kicks off in earnest, it'd be great to talk to you.